What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be vinyl wrapping the roof of my Audi A4 gloss black. A lot of cars nowadays come stock with a blacked out roof, and especially a lot of the BMW M cars have a carbon fiber roof, so it's basically going to replicate that kind of look. I think it'll make the car look a lot sleeker given that there is blacked out trim all over this car. So this is on the grille, the mirrors, and the side skirts. I have very little experience wrapping cars, so it might be a little tricky. I actually have two rolls of vinyl. This is a dark green that I'm gonna practice with, so I'm gonna wrap the roof in a green and hopefully get over any hiccups or any problems that I might have wrapping the roof, because this might be a little difficult because I have a sunroof and the antenna that sticks up at the back here. To make this process a whole lot easier, I actually ordered a vinyl wrap kit on Amazon today, and it just came in. We've got this little tool right here. We've got the card, two cards actually, and a razor blade so that we can cut the vinyl wrap around these corners, because there's gonna be a lot of cutting going on. But with that being said, let's get out this green vinyl, measure out the roof to see exactly how much we need to cut, and then get to wrapping. All right, here we got the tape measure. We're gonna measure out from, of course, the very, very back to the very front, and then from cross to cross. This is gonna be a huge chunk that we take out, but it'll be cut after the vinyl is on. This is gonna be the problem though. I feel like we're gonna go up top and then eventually just like cut through it. All right, got a tape measure. Let's see how wide across it has to be. 45 by 70, or maybe we'd be generous with it. Guys, we're realizing we could just like lay it all the way across, then trim it. I don't know what we were thinking. Let's hope we have enough of this green. Oh no, we might not. We definitely do not have enough of the green. Uh-oh. So as you saw, it turns out we don't have enough wrap to cover this. So we're gonna practice by putting all the wrap and getting it over the sunroof, and then take another piece that we already cut and try to get over this. Hold on, lay down. All right, so vinyl wrapping is definitely way harder than we thought, completely. Like, we're trying our best here. We've definitely got a bunch on, but there is some wrinkles. This is just the test round, so I think we're just gonna cut it and see how it looks so far, and then really lock in for the next one. Because if you see here, there's like the wrinkles, but I think this is just in the clear coat. Like, I don't think this is fully wrinkled. I can't honestly tell, but so we're gonna trim this piece up with the X-Acto knife, and then peel all the clear coat off. All right, I think I trimmed this one kind of nicely. Here we go. Okay. All right, not bad. All right, now to cut for the sunroof. There's basically like rubber underneath here, so there's not like paint that I could damage very badly. And then now we can take all of the clear coat off. The sides look really good, but the front is really bad. Like, we messed up right here, as you can see, a lot. So there's gonna be a learning curve we have to figure out there. We're gonna watch some YouTube videos and figure it out, because that is like, I can't drive around like that, obviously. But then like over here, otherwise, like this, we did really well on. This is where we got stuck. It's like these back corners here, you know? Like, that's pretty bad. Well, time to unwrap the green. This lasted like 5 minutes. All right, the green wrap is now obviously off of the roof, but we're going to continue this now tomorrow because it is midnight and we want to be fresh for when we're going to try to actually do the job correctly on the black vinyl wrap. Hopefully it doesn't take us 3 hours, but it honestly might, because we really want to make sure it looks good. All right, boys, it is the next day. We are now at a professional wrap shop, and right now we have a blue going on the car. This is a practice. We're at Next Level Detailing. This is Ronnie. He's the owner of this shop. He is helping me figure out how to do all this, but so far, this has literally been like 5 minutes of work barely, and we've already done so much. Turns out doing it professionally is way, way easier, or at least being with someone that knows how to do it. And this blue looks insane. Let me know what you guys think of this blue. I actually really like it. A lot of people around here don't, but after this, we will take this blue off and then it will go gloss black. So we've got a hole cut out in the vinyl for my antenna, and we gotta make sure we don't cut it too wide to where it stretches out onto the paint. But of course, this is just the practice round, but still. If I was still doing this in my garage, it would have gone very south, because I do not know how to trim anything. So after this, we're going to obviously take all the wrap off and then properly prep it with like all of the cleaners and all the tape that we need to make sure it looks professionally done.
All this just to take it off?
If you guys were wondering, yeah, I have a black cap that's gonna go over top of the antenna here so that it won't look awkward when the roof is black but the antenna is white. So for the time being, it will look a little awkward once it's finished, but then don't worry, within like a week or so, that'll be here and it'll go right on top. This makes me want to do this color on my car really badly. This is awesome. But all right, so literally in like 5 to 10 minutes, we got the whole blue wrap on the car. This is pretty insane. Already we've trimmed up some a little bit here, but I'm gonna go around with the X-Acto knife and make sure this thing looks perfect. Then we'll tear it off and do the black. I'm gonna make sure I push in all of the vinyl into this little crevice so that it cuts correctly. Cutting it ever slightly across the windshield here. Here we go. This one's way easier than doing the sides because there's an actual like edge to go under. Here we go. Everything has been trimmed. Here we are getting off the sunroof part. Dude, this is super, super cool. I did trim up some of that piece over there, but otherwise, hey, this is not half bad. Once I tuck it a little bit, you know, then we'll be really, really solid for the gloss black. All right, 20 minutes of work, just like this. All right, guys, it is finally time. We are now going to do the gloss black on my roof. The blue is officially off. I am nervous and excited at the same time. As I mentioned before, this is really good 3M wrap. So let's get this started.
Keep walking so we can put it on here. Ready? We're gonna glass it.
All right, so far we have got done a bunch of the front here. We are moving along to the back antenna. We have the razor blade here that I'm going to use to cut out the sunroof, of course. But so far it's looking very nice. There is a cap sheet on top of this, so of course, like you saw earlier in the video, we will peel off the little clear coat at the end, and it'll reveal all of the nice and unbothered wrap. So should look fantastic. We're really getting along here.
Glass it out, so very gently.
There we go. All right. Nice. Probably not the best way to do this, but this is for us the easiest. So now we've just got to get a bunch of this stuff down, but so far the front is looking really, really good. I think spraying on that substance there was really, really helpful. I've never done that when wrapping a car. I've only done a couple things in my life, but watch. We go side to side when doing it to ensure the bubbles don't get caught there. Ready? Ready? Boom, we're almost done. All right, so there is tape around the fin there, so we know exactly where to cut it at. And hopefully we don't, hit into the paint or anything. But after that, we will tuck in some of these corners here, trim up this, and dude, we're looking pretty golden here. I'm very, very excited. I think this is actually gonna look a lot better. Just make it look a lot sleeker. The car has no lowering springs or anything like that, so anything to make it look a little bit nicer. And if you see here, the trim, show the trim here, it's all blacked out. So it came like that from factory, and it's gonna look really nice. Besides, obviously, the Audi badge there, but mirrors are blacked out and all of this along here, and side skirts too. Currently trimming up all of the pieces of that blade there. This is coming along very nicely. Take a look at this side so far. That's trimmed, is going around this side as well. And then we'll have to warm this up and tuck this into the roof line here, as well as this, and trim it up, and it should look insane so far. I mean, if you come to look at it from in front, it's already looking different, and I can't believe it's gonna look a lot better when it's all trimmed. Very precise cutting along that edge there. All right, now we're cutting along where the middle of the tape line is, so we can just have a little bit of a better look so far at what we're working with here. All right, now we're doing the passenger side corner, tucking in the vinyl wrap on the front windshield here. I'm gonna tuck in, wow. Okay, we have finally trimmed up the sunroof. This is looking fantastic. Hopefully my sunroof will be fully functional after this. All right, we are now gonna take off the cap sheet before we trim up everything else, but we are 90% done. Oh my goodness. Dude, that looks so good. Oh my gosh. Take a look at this now. Oh my gosh, perfectly trimmed up on that sunroof there. Now we're working on, when I mean me, when I say we, I mean Ronnie, but look at that cut there. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look fantastic. I am already very happy with this. Now it's time for the front tape to come off. The final cut. The actual last piece of tape, the antenna. Ladies and gentlemen, we have finally finished. This was like an entire day process. I'm about to show you this from the top of the stairs. Oh my gosh. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. I am so happy with how this turned out. My, oh my. We can still like clean it. There is still some fingerprints and stuff all over it, but you get the point. Oh my goodness. The little antenna looks a little goofy, but in a week's time, it will not have that problem. Oh my gosh, this is so good. All right, well, the last step is going to be to clean this off. We've got glass cleaner, I guess, so, oh my gosh. And boom, there we go. This thing is super, super clean now. I highly recommend doing this to your car. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you like cars, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any future car videos.